The Bitcoin Lightning Network is a second-layer payment protocol that operates on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. It was designed to enable fast and cheap off-chain transactions between participating nodes and has the potential to significantly scale the capacity of the Bitcoin network. Welcome to today's episode of Cryptogeek.info. In this episode, we'll talk about the Bitcoin Lightning Network, its benefits of using, the challenges and limitations, the current state and its future potential. So, let's get started. The Lightning Network was first proposed in a white paper published in 2015 by Thaddeus Dreyer and Joseph Poon. It was designed as a solution to the scalability issues facing the Bitcoin network, which was struggling to process a large number of transactions due to its limited block size and the high fees that resulted from competition for block space. The Lightning Network works by creating a Layer 2 payment protocol on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. It allows participating nodes to open payment channels, through which they can exchange an unlimited number of transactions without the need to broadcast each one to the Bitcoin network. Only the final balances of the payment channel are recorded on the blockchain, which reduces the burden on the network and enables faster and cheaper transactions. The Lightning Network has undergone several rounds of development and testing, and is now in the process of being rolled out on the Bitcoin mainnet. So, how does the Lightning Network actually work? Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Two parties who want to transact with each other can open a payment channel. This is a bilateral agreement that allows them to exchange an unlimited number of transactions without the need to broadcast each one to the Bitcoin network. 2. The payment channel is funded with a certain amount of Bitcoin, which serves as collateral for the transactions that take place within the channel. 3. The parties can then transact with each other by updating the balance of the payment channel. For example, if Party A wants to send 1 Bitcoin to Party B, they can update the balance of the payment channel to reflect this transfer. 4. The payment channel can be closed at any time by either party, at which point the final balances of the channel are broadcast to the Bitcoin network and recorded on the blockchain. The Lightning Network enables fast and cheap transactions because the need for miners to validate and include each transaction in a block is eliminated. Instead, transactions are settled off-chain, and only the final balances are recorded on the blockchain. This reduces the burden on the Bitcoin network and allows for faster and cheaper transactions. There are several other benefits to using the Lightning Network. Speed. Transactions on the Lightning Network are almost instantaneous because they don't need to be included in a block and validated by miners. Low fees. Because transactions are settled off-chain, there is no need to pay miners to include them in a block. This means that fees on the Lightning Network are typically much lower than on the Bitcoin blockchain. Increased privacy. Transactions on the Lightning Network are not recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain, which makes them more private than on-chain transactions. Scalability. The Lightning Network has the potential to significantly scale the capacity of the Bitcoin network by enabling a large number of off-chain transactions. Although the Lightning Network has many benefits, it also has some challenges and limitations. One of the main challenges facing the Lightning Network is limited adoption. The network is still in the early stages of development and adoption is relatively low. This means that it may be difficult to find a counterpart to transact with, especially if you want to transact with a large amount of Bitcoin. As a result, the Lightning Network is not yet suitable for high-value transactions. Another challenge is counterparty risk. Because transactions on the Lightning Network are not recorded on the blockchain, there is a risk that a counterparty may not fulfill their part of the transaction. This risk can be mitigated by using multi-signature contracts, but it is still a potential issue. The Lightning Network is also complex and may be intimidating for some users to set up and use. It requires the use of specialized software and technical knowledge, which may be a barrier for some people. In addition, the Lightning Network is not yet fully decentralized. It relies on a network of nodes to route transactions, and if these nodes become centralized, it could potentially lead to censorship or other issues. Finally, the Lightning Network is not yet fully secure. There have been instances of successful attacks on the network, and more work needs to be done to improve its security and resilience. How to use the Lightning Network. 1. First, you will need to set up a Lightning Network wallet. Some popular options include Eclair, Zap, and Blue Wallet. These wallets are available for both mobile and desktop platforms. 2. Once you have your wallet set up, you will need to open a payment channel with another user. This can be done by either connecting to an existing channel or by creating a new one. 3. To open a new channel, you will need to send a small amount of Bitcoin to a special address that is associated with the Lightning Network. This is called a funding transaction, and it will be recorded on the blockchain. 4. After the funding transaction has been confirmed, you will be able to send and receive Lightning Network transactions through the payment channel. These transactions will not be recorded on the blockchain and will be settled off-chain. 5. When you are finished using the payment channel, you can close it at any time by sending a closing transaction to the blockchain. This will settle the final balance between you and the other party and the Bitcoin will be returned to your wallet. 6. It is important to note that the Lightning Network is still in the early stages of development and may not be suitable for large or high-risk transactions. It is also important to use a trusted wallet and exercise caution when opening channels with untrusted parties. Overall, the Lightning Network has the potential to significantly improve the scalability and efficiency of the Bitcoin network, making it a promising technology for the future of cryptocurrency. The Lightning Network is a promising technology that aims to solve one of the main challenges facing the Bitcoin network: scalability. By enabling users to create payment channels between themselves and make unlimited off-chain transactions, the Lightning Network allows for faster and cheaper transactions than what is possible on the blockchain itself. Since its launch in 2018, the Lightning Network has seen significant growth. As of January 2023, there are over 10,000 active nodes on the network and the total capacity has exceeded 1,000 BTC. While still a small fraction of the total Bitcoin network, these numbers demonstrate the increasing adoption of the Lightning Network among users. In addition to its scalability benefits, the Lightning Network also has the potential to enable new use cases for Bitcoin that were previously not possible. For example, it can support micropayments, instant transactions, and cross-chain atomic swaps. This makes it an attractive technology for a wide range of applications, including online games, content monetization, and cross-border payments. However, the Lightning Network is still in the early stages of development, and there are several challenges that need to be addressed before it can reach its full potential. These include improving user experience, increasing the number of nodes and channels, and developing new features and functionality. Despite these challenges, the future looks bright for the Lightning Network. As more users and businesses adopt the technology, it has the potential to become a key part of the Bitcoin ecosystem and drive mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency. With its unique combination of scalability, speed, and flexibility, the Lightning Network is poised to play a major role in the future of digital finance. What do you think about the future potential of the Lightning Network? Tell us your opinion in the comments below. On Cryptogeek.info YouTube channel we talk about the most interesting trends in crypto. Hope to see you in the next video.